guys, it's Sean Wilmoth here at 140 Hunters Run Lane in Mount Carmel, Tennessee. I'm going to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with some bonus space in the basement that is heat and aired, which is awesome. So as soon as we walk into the house, we come to the split foyer area. We go upstairs and see the main living area. Got our kitchen on our right with the eat-in dining area, as well as the living room here on the left. Nice hardwood floors. See those? Tile work in the kitchen, and all appliances are very new in here. I think they're 2 or 3 years old, but we've got the records on that for you. Great seating area right out back, right there. So it's a great spot. We just saw a deer back in the field. This is just farmland behind us, and there's some deer that come through there regularly. I might be able to post a photo of the deer that I saw. There's your entranceway there. Gonna go right down the hall and take a look at the first bedroom on the left. The bedrooms are good size. That's, I believe, a queen size bed. You've got a lot of space around the bed, a lot of room for furnishings, etc. Now we're gonna go to the next one on the left. This is your laundry room and your bathroom. So this is a full bath. You've got a master bath as well. But you can see the laundry area is right here. And also, just so you know, the attic access is right in there as well, so you can get out there if you need to look around. This home has, of course, a full bath here. Take a look inside. Nice shower heads there. Shower's in great condition. The toilet is right there. And this house has had some roof damage recently. There's a claim filed on it, so they're going to get that replaced before closing. That is in the works. There is no sign of roof leaks. Just want to let you know that. This is the master bedroom. It is a huge master bedroom. So you've got lots of room. That's just a queen size bed, and you still have plenty of room on either side. Another thing that's important to know about the master, it has 2 closets. So you have a Mr. and Mrs. There's a normal size closet there. And when you go into the master bath, got the sink on the right, very large sink, very wide, and then, hey, there's me. Then you have another closet back here that's very good size with a light in it, so you get lots of closet space here, plus the bonus area downstairs that we're going to talk about as well. There's the toilet there. The shower here, all in great shape. Good shower head right there. So we're going to walk back down the hall, and we're gonna look on the left-hand side this time. We do have a small hall closet right here. There you go. And we have another, this is a kid's bedroom here with a good size closet right behind the door. And also lots of room for a queen size bed there also. This is a hall closet, could be a coat closet, but the owners are currently using it as a pantry. And so you can see lots of room in the pantry for that, shelving and so forth in there. Now, let's take a look downstairs. Now, this is a climate-controlled area of the house. It has an unfinished ceiling and some of the exterior walls, but it is extremely comfortable and cool. The heat and air system, I'm going to show you right here, has multiple vents in it. Might get dizzy doing that. But this is a very high ceiling as well. So this area is great for crafting, which is the owner's case right now. This is a crafting area with a nice big window there. Your electrical panel is in the corner. It is a 200 amp box, but there's a bunch of open circuits. So if you want an electric car charger or add a welder in the garage or something, you've got lots of opportunity right there to put more of that in. I love this space. I think this space is what makes the house special. Having a climate controlled area that's this large is really a big deal. And then also I want to show you right down here, right there, there's actually plumbing for a toilet right there. So you could put a bathroom in and make it a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. I'm going to show you in here, a good sized closet. Goes all the way around the stairs there for lots of extra storage if you need. Next, we're going to take a look in the garage. The garage is very spacious. The owners have a lot of equipment out here. They have some woodworking things in the corner, etc. Some of this cabinetry will stay for storage, but even with the cabinets along this wall here and back, if this was gone right here, you could still fit easily 2 cars in here, 2-car garage, of course, with electric garage openers there. Oh, one other thing I need to tell you, they do have natural gas here, which is great. And this is a natural gas water heater here. And then we also have the heat and air system. The heat, of course, is a nice natural gas. One other thing I want to mention, because I see the cable running over here, they had a TV there at one time. The owner does work from home, and the owner does have high-speed internet currently through the cable company, which is Charter. But there is also fiber optic coming in 2023 that will give you gig speeds, fiber optic connectivity. So last look at this room. I appreciate you watching our video tonight, and hopefully this helps you understand how the house is laid out and how it might fit. If you are interested in seeing this, please let me know or your favorite realtor, and we will definitely get you an appointment. We do want to have everyone pre-qualified or proof of cash before we do showings. But again, thanks for watching our video, and enjoy your day. And welcome to East Tennessee if you're moving into the area. Bye-bye. Guys, it's Sean. We're gonna take a quick look right outside the back porch, because I think this is an important part of this home. You've got a deck out here with a grill. The grill does stay, by the way. And let me see if I can make this nice and wide angle. You've got a great deck area, patio area, and the yard is all, I'll say, fenced in for this guy right here. That's an important element right there. It's a cat haven. We have 2 cats here at the home, and they love this little spot in the back. Don't you, sweetie? Bye. But this little fenced-in area is nice. You've got a garden here, and you've got a raised garden bed here. The lot line is just about to the mow line. You can see right over there where the post is, and really the corner of that fence is also the other marker. You can see it at the ground. Now this does convey. This is currently leased, but it will be paid off at the close of the sale, and it is almost a brand new shed. I've got some photos of the interior of that. Backyard is super flat. It's a great area for kids to play, etc. And landscaping is very nice. One thing I'll tell you, there are deer, and we just saw some coming through in this back field. This field is just mowed for hay, and so there are some deer that roam around in the backyard. There's some old barn up there on someone else's property, but you can see it a little bit right there. From the deck you can see it better. And we saw some deer roaming around. So we think that this backyard area is very special and an important element of the house, so we wanted to highlight that in our video. Thanks for watching. As always, we appreciate it. If you have any questions, contact myself or your favorite realtor. Have a great day. I hope it's me, by the way. I hope I'm your favorite realtor. Bye-bye.